In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi K70 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Start by opening settings and scrolling down just a bit to access display and brightness. When you finished, scroll all the way down and select font settings. Now you can tap on one of those fonts and go back. As you can see, after that, style of my text has changed. If you wish to try something more interesting, go back to display and brightness again. Scroll all the way down and click on font to access this list, or select font settings and tap on those three dots next to available font styles. Either way, then it's time to look for a perfect style. When you find it, click on it. Now hit free. Select apply and wait. So when I go back, as you can see, style of my text has changed. If you want to go back to your default style, go back to font settings one more time and click on default. As you can see, my new font style appeared over here. To access list of all the available ones to download, just swipe to the left and tap on those three dots again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!